guess what?
What?
I'll bring it on room.
What? Our safety drill, and the safety drill was a little bit different. So for this one, we had a video that we had to tune in to watch. It was like a 5-minute video that we watched from our stateroom, and then after that we had to dial in a number to confirm our participation. I think we had to dial like 881, and with that confirmed that we did watch the video. And then we had to go down to our muster drill area and just give them our card to check in, just to show that we made it down there. And that was it. It was really quick, really easy, very convenient, and we're done and we're ready to enjoy the upcoming sail away party, which should be taking place in maybe 45 minutes or so.